Imagine discovering a machine so advanced that scientists believe it should not exist in the ancient world. But in the year 1901, divers exploring a shipwreck near the Greek island of Antikythera found something that completely shocked historians. At first, it looked like nothing more than a corroded lump of bronze, but hidden inside it was a technology that humanity supposedly would not invent again for more than 1,500 years. When researchers carefully opened the strange object, they discovered a complex system of gears. Not 2 or 3 gears, but more than 30 precision bronze gears arranged in a way that looked almost like the inside of a mechanical clock. The problem was, mechanical clocks didn't exist yet. This mysterious device was created more than 2,000 years ago. So the question quickly became, what exactly was this machine designed to do? Scientists spent decades studying the device using X-rays and modern imaging technology. Slowly, the truth began to emerge. This ancient mechanism was actually an incredibly advanced astronomical calculator. By turning a small handle, the machine could predict solar eclipses, lunar eclipses, planet movements, even the timing of the Olympic Games. Essentially, it was a portable model of the universe. Some experts now call it the world's first analog computer. But this discovery raised an even bigger mystery. If people could build something this advanced over 2,000 years ago, why did this technology disappear? Historians believe the knowledge may have been lost when ancient civilizations collapsed. Libraries burned, scholars disappeared, and the secrets behind machines like this may have vanished with them. For more than 1,000 years after its creation, no other device anywhere in the world matched its complexity. Humanity had to rediscover this level of engineering centuries later, which means the ancient world may have been far more technologically advanced than we once believed. Today, the device is known as the Antikythera Mechanism, and researchers are still uncovering new secrets hidden inside its gears. Some scientists believe we may have only discovered part of the original machine, meaning the full technology could have been even more advanced. And that raises one fascinating question. What other lost inventions from ancient civilizations are still waiting to be rediscovered? If you enjoy discovering hidden mysteries and unbelievable facts from history and science, follow this page and comment more so you don't miss the next discovery. Because some of the most incredible stories in human history are the ones we are only just beginning to understand.